Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java playlist, we will learn pattern programs step by step. This is Java programming session number 21, pattern 34, right angle star triangle pattern. If you are confident about learning and like this video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. So what's our today's task means? We are going to solve right angled star triangle pattern. So as usual, you have to clear with the basic rule which we have discussed IJN. So I indicates number of lines or rows, J indicates number of time to print, and in each and every line what to print, either symbol or alphabets or numbers. So you should be clear with this. And then N indicates our limit size. So as usual, go with the standard template of the code. So N, we are going to read the input from the user. After that, we are traversing with the for loop. So here, first clearly observe this. If your sample input is 4, how many lines are printing? 4 lines. So as usual, then I starts from the 1, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, because I value, that is row numbers, are depends on the n. So 4 sample input is 4 means 4 lines is printing. Next, J indicates number of times I'm printing in each and every row or line. So first row means one time I'm printing, second row means two times printing, third row means three times, fourth row four times. So here J is depends on, clearly observe that my row number, because line number 1 means 1 star printing, line number 2 means 2 stars. So J equal to 1, J equal to 1, J less than or equal to which one this time? I, because line number 1 means 1 time, line number 2 means 2 times, so automatically line number means which variable we are referring? I variable. Next, in each and every row what you are going to printing, that is important. In each and every row what you are going to print, this time printing the symbol star asterisk, so give asterisk here. Got it? For your understanding, give some space also, asterisk space, even though it is not in the sample output, please give some space. So first look at this output screen, whether it is coming or as per our sample or input output. Example, if my sample input is 5, look at this output screen. If my sample input is 5, what's the output getting? Yes, right angle star triangle I'm getting. This is what a session objective, I'm right, to print the right angle star triangle. Okay, so let me explain how to execute this in the debugging mode one by one. As usual in debugging mode, we'll discuss what is happening behind this. So click the start button. I'm giving my sample input as 4. Next, step into, so what is that? Current I value is 1, 1 less than or equal to n value, what is that? 4. So condition is obviously it is true. Now it enter to the body of the inner for loop. Int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. What's the j value? 1, I value is 1. So one time this loop will be executed. What is that? Star space will be printed. Star space will be printed now. Okay, after this, what is that? J increment operation. Already j value is 1. After increment, what's the current j value? 2. So before that we missed this new line. Okay, so please add this, first printing the star with the space and then new line will be printed, because initially the condition is fail. Okay, see here, initially this j plus plus, initially this j plus plus condition is fail, because if j is incremented, what is the 2, 2 less than or equal to 1 means condition false. Next, automatically the control will transfer to the line number 11. That's why we are in the second line now. Okay, next iteration. After completing this line number 11, now the control we move on to the line number 7. Already the I value is 1. After increment, what's the I value now? 2. So 2 less than or equal to 4 means condition is true. Now it is entered to the inner for loop. Now it is entered to the inner for loop. What is that? J equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. J value is already 1, I value what is that? 2. So 2 times this loop will be executed. First time now star space will be printed. See in the output screen, star space is printing. Okay, star space is printing. After this, now again control will transfer to line number 8. Already the j value is 1. After increment, what's the j value now? 2. So 2 less than or equal to 2 condition is true. You can see that j value is 2. So what is that? This time 1 star with space will be printed. Star space. Can you able to see this? Star space is printed. Next again j value will be incremented 3. 3 less than or equal to 2 means what is that? Condition is fail. So now the control will be transferred from line number 8 to line number 11. Okay, because of this line number 11, new line will be printed. The cursor will move on to the third line. Next, after this again the control will be transferred from line number 11 to line number 7. Already the existing value of I is 2. Incrementing by 1 means now 3. So 3 less than or equal to 4 means condition is true. See the I variable in the memory area 3. So again the inner loop as usual start from the beginning. J equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. What's the I value? 3. So 3 times this loop is going to execute. First time what is that? Star space will be printed. Star space will be printed. Again now the control will be transferred to j plus plus. Already the j value is 1. After increment what is the j value? 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3 means condition is true. Again star space is printed. Last iteration j value is already 2. After increment by 1 means what is that? 3. 3 less than or equal to 3 less than or equal to 3 means last iteration true. So star space will be printed. Look at this output screen. Star space is printed. Now again control will be transferred to the j plus plus. Already the j value is 3. After increment what is that? 4. So 4 less than or equal to 3 means condition is false. See here, 1 minute. What's the current j value now? 4. I value is what is that? 3. So the condition is false. 4 less than or equal to 3 means inner for loop is failed. Now the control will be transferred to line number 11. See here. So new line will be printed. Now the cursor is moved on to the line number 4. So it is waiting now. Again from line number 11 to cursor move on to line number 7. Already the I existing value is what is that? 3. Last iteration. So increment by 1 means what is that? 4. So 4 less than or equal to 4 means condition is true. Now the control will be transferred to line number 8. J value is 1. 1 less than or equal to I. What is the current I value? 4. So 4 times this loop is going to execute. Similarly, I'm giving a short explanation alone because we already discussed a lot. Okay, so I'm just telling now the last iteration what is what alone. What is that? 4 times this star space will be printed. I'm skipping the detailed explanation. Star space, star space, star space will be printed 4 times. Yes. Now the control will be transferred to, because this condition is filled, control will be transferred to line number 11. New line will be printed. Program is completed as per our sample input output. Okay, I can give any kind of input. See here, even if I'm giving 7, look at my output screen. So 7 lines will be printed each and every time. Depends upon the row number it is printing. That is what I'm giving j less than or equal time. If you found this session useful, please like this video, subscribe our channel for more update. Now you can drop your comments in the comment section. Always welcome. Thanks for watching.